Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today I'm gonna make you guys some nice and lovely plantain porridge. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using, guys. I'm gonna use vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, condensed milk, coconut milk, salt, and I'm also gonna use two plantain, the green one. It has to be the green one. I won't be doing a lot, so I'm just gonna use two plantain. Alright guys, so you're definitely gonna need your plantain to cut because it's gonna be blend. So I'm just cutting it in fine pieces. Alright guys, so all my plantain is cut up, so I'm just gonna put them in my blender. And I forgot to mention, guys, I'm gonna use some milk also in there, just ordinary milk. I'm gonna use, guys, just like half of glass of milk. So I'm just gonna pour it in my blender. And I'm also gonna pour the coconut milk in there also. Hi guys, so my plantain is finished blend. So this is how it look, guys. Make sure it all blend. Hi guys, so this is my pot that is on the stove. It's really hot, and I just put like just a tiny bit of water in there, not a lot, just a tiny bit. So this is how it look, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all my plantains to it now. Alright guys, so I just added my plantain to the pot. So this is how it look, guys. My stove is on medium because I don't want it to be lumpy. So make sure your stove, guys, is not high. So I'm just continuing to stir it because it seems as if it will get so lumpy. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder, and I'm also gonna add just around half a teaspoon of my nutmeg, and I'm also gonna add my vanilla. That's around 2 spoons full, and I'm gonna also put my salt to it. Just 1 spoon of salt. Just keep stir it, guys, so it doesn't become too lumpy. I remember, guys, growing up in Jamaica, my grandma She used to always make these for us in the morning. I remember her just having her grater and just grating it and stuff like that. And I'm telling you, it used to be so nice and so delicious. And I'm so happy I can be able to made it for myself, you know, and even for my children also. If it became too thick, guys, you can always add a bit of milk or a bit of water in there, if it became too thick. But this is how mine's look. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna add my condensed milk to it. So I'm just gonna add my condensed milk to it, guys. You can always taste it to see what you preferred. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna taste mine to see if it need any salt or if it need any more condensed milk. So I'm just gonna add just a taste. That's perfect, guys. Wow, that's so delicious. So nice. Hi guys, so my plantain porridge, it's all finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it look on the plate. But this is how it look in the pot. Very nice, not too thick, just perfect. Hi guys, so this is how my plantain porridge look. I'm having mine with sourdough bread. Guys, I hope you enjoy this nice delicious recipe. If you do, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye, and thank you so much for watching.